जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, रोके जमाना चाहे रोके खुदाई तुमको आना पड़ेगा, जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, निभाना पड़ेगा. Namaskar everyone, I'm SAMANVITha Sharma and I'm extremely honored to be a part of JashanESahir, which is a beautiful concert in honor of the people's poet Sahir Ludhianvi ji. This concert is brought to you by Rotary International District 3192 in association with Rotary Rajmahal Vilas. It's being done in aid of creating comfort stations for the transgender community. The concert is happening at JSS Auditorium on the 30th of September at 5:30 p.m. So, music lovers, music connoisseurs, what are you waiting for? Do book your tickets at the earliest through Book My Show or by scanning the QR code on the poster. See you all there.